We got the little guy, his new bed. He's super happy with it. It's super fluffy and fuzzy, as you can tell. It's kind of puffy in the center here, and the edges are super puffy. He can climb in there and he scoots all around. He likes to do these things where he smushes his head into the fuzzy sides. And as you can see, he's really enjoying the new bed. It's the perfect size for him. I think he likes the color. And this will be great when it's warm out. He'll be able to snuggle in there, throw a blanket in there if we need to. And I think we're getting the seal of approval here with the wiggle. And he really likes digging around in there, spreading out, rolling around, and he's definitely falling in love with it. Hope this helps.